Good evening to everybody. Welcome to the class of the All India Bar Examination, 16th cohort, 2021. The exam is going to conducted on 31st
Good morning,
October
sir. Good evening, sir.
2021. Good evening to everybody. Good evening to everybody. Good evening to everybody. Yes, what I posted on the screen, you read. Please unmute. And unmute and read what I posted on the screen. Only one. Quick. So that I could know that you are speaking to me and I am speaking to you and you could see. See, you kept it open. Your, let me. Yes, only one can unmute and read what I posted on the screen. Yes? Only one can unmute. Are you hearing me? Yes?
Yes, sir, but little bit volume is low, sir.
Okay, no matter, but you are hearing me. Okay, I am coming very close to it so that my voice would reach you because I am shouting rather I can use the word. But I don't know. Okay, no matter. Read what is I put on the screen. I said read what I put on the screen. So that I could know, you could see my screen. Please, anyone, please.
Navaratri is an well among.
Okay, now that means you could see my screen, isn't it?
Yes, that is.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to get the confirmation. Yes, this is about the Navaratri only that I made it. Okay, yeah, I will read it. Then directly I will come to the. Okay, now stop it. See, I could got the confirmation that you are reading it, so that that screen will be seen to you. Okay, now let us come to the part of the All India Bar Examination, 16th Code 2021, and this is the second round. SR is a multiple choice questions in the company law. Number 1, which one is the false statement among the following? A. Business is nothing but a systematic series of the trial and error methods. B. Business is nothing but a systematical series of experience. C. Business is nothing but a systematized series of transaction. D. Business is nothing but a systematic series of the failures. Which one among is the yes false statement? Is it a false statement? Can I say? Yeah, right statement. Better, that is the actual answer. Yes, anyone? Which one is okay? Tell me which one is the false one, which one is the right one. See, if you know it, you can tell me. If you don't know it, you can say pass on. Yes? Please, if you know it, you can tell me. If you don't know it, you can say pass on. So that I could know that you are hearing me. Anyone can unmute?
Pass on, sir.
మీ దండం పెడతానండి నాకు తెలియాలండి మీరు నా మాట విన్నది లేదు yes mute now you mute yes now the false statement is you are not muted somebody not muted that's why I'm getting the resound. See, if you don't mute it, no, I will get the resound. So the right answer for this question is business is nothing but a systematic series of the transaction. So this is the false statement, but the rest of the statements are very much yes, right. Okay, next question is even if you need a law, if you need a law to bind us to our word and perform our parts of the promises, the dash exists to provide the legal backing to our claims and those of the other parties to a transaction. Then what is the dash? Law of trade, law of contract, law of banking, law of property. Which one is the appropriate word in the bracket, in the blank?
So B, sir, law of contract.
It is a law of contract. I appreciate it. Again, you mute it immediately. Premala, mute it. Otherwise, I will get the resound. Okay. Now, the third question is A company needs a people to believe in it. All three is needed for the believing a company, needs a company, but not one among the four choices. But one is not connected to the company. Number A, by investing in it. B, by availing of its products. C, by throwing of its product. D, by availing of its services. Which one is not connected to the company?
C, sir.
C, right answer.
Sir, C, sir.
Saifuddin. Yes, you are right. Now you mute it. Now the question comes. Yes, you are right. The throwing, that the C is not connected to the it, because throwing is not there in the company. But the rest of the things are very much essential. That is by investing in it, by valuing its product, and by valuing of its services. Number 4, the people's interest dash largely in the functioning of a company. What is the dash? The people's interest looks, figures, appears, is shown. Which one is the appropriate word there? Yes, tell me. Even shoot, even it is wrong also. Unmute and shoot. Shoot means say. Even you're wrong, there is no negative marks, please.
C, sir.
D. D, sir.
Sir, D, sir. D.
It shows.
No, it is a B. Figure. The people's interest figures largely in the functioning of a company. That is the right appropriate answer for that one. Next, the 5th question is, we need dash that provide an outline of the way in which a company must do business and be managed. So what is the dash? Company laws, commercial laws, law of contracts, or law of transfer of property laws?
Sir, D, sir.
I want to finish it. With the confusion only, I put the D, transfer of property laws here. But if you closely look at it, we need dash that provide an outline of the way in which company must do a business, must be managed. What should be needed? A company should do the business and manage well. Which law would be needed?
Company law, A.
Company law. A is the right answer for that question. The 5th question, A is the right answer. Okay, now let us come to the 6th question. The dash take care of a business and management of the company, and the dash help keep the company afloat. First dash, members and directors. B, directors and members. C, shareholders and board of directors. D, board of directors and shareholders.
D. D.
Repeat.
D.
Very good,
Directors and
Anjanelu Kakani. You are right, Kakani. The D is the right answer. The board of directors take care of the business and management of the company, and the shareholders help keep the company afloat. That is the right answer. Very good. 7th, the business is done in the name of a company, and all of the profits accrue to it, out of which dividends are paid to the dash who are the investors in the company. A, director. B, shareholders. C, board of directors. D, managing directors.
shareholders, sir.
Sir,
B.
B, sir. B.
Shareholders. It's a Prema Pramela and Sanjarani, you are right. It's the shareholders who are the investors in the company. Very good. A, that's the 8th. When a company is being incorporated, the individual setting up the company will have an idea of what they want out of the incorporation, and they can choose from choices that vary according to all the 3 components, but not one among them. Means 3 components were very much relevant to the statement, but one component is not relevant to the statement. Number A, discovery. B, identity. C, ownership. D, liability.
C.
Say again.
C. Ownership.
You know, the company, everything will be there. There should be identity would be there. There should be the ownership would be there. There should be the liability would be there. Only discovery is not there. It is not connected to the statement which incorporated above. So the answer for the E is not connected is discovery. A is the answer. Number 9th question. The only way, I repeat, the only way a company will cease to exist is if it is 4 choices. Lack of funds, A. B, shortage of workers. C. No demand of goods. D. Wound up.
D. D.
Repeat.
D, sir. Wound up.
Yes, that is right answer. Wind up only the company will be ceased to exist. If the lack of funds will not be, no, because overdraft would be there, shortage of workers, okay, workers will come again, and no demand of goods. If today demands are there, tomorrow demand will be increased. So if the company will cease to exist if it is only wound up. That is the right answer is D for the 9th question. Yes, 10th question. A company has the capacity to dash against a wrongdoer or doer and has the capacity of being dashed for civil wrongs. So you fill up
D.
the two dash with what? Filed
D.
and
Sue and
filed,
sued.
sued and sue, filed and file, or sue and sued.
D. Option D.
Repeat.
Last one.
Yes,
Last.
Anjani Kakani, you are right. A company has the capacity to sue against the wrongdoer and has the capacity of being sued for the civil wrongs. Means the D is the right answer. The 11th one. Which one of the statement is correct? I say correct. Which one of the statement is correct? A company is not a liable in civil act. B, a company is not liable in a tort act. And C, a company is not liable in contract law. D, a company is not liable in criminal act.
A company is not liable in tort act, sir. B.
Second choice. Second choice, Premila.
D, sir.
It is a D is the right. A company is not liable in criminal act. For the criminal act, a company is not liable over there because a criminal thing, only the guilty mind should be there. Where the guilty mind will not be there for the company, but one word is there that is called corporate will, piercing the corporate will. If the intention of the director is to deceive a person, then individually he will be held liable. Okay, next come to the point of the 12th. Which one of the statement regarding the business is false? I say regarding the business is false, I say. The other three are correct, but one is false. A, business always involves an element of risk. B, sometimes the risk leads to the high returns. And C, sometimes the risk leads to losses. D, monetary liability is not bound to occur in the course of the conduct of any business.
D, sir.
D is the right answer. Monetary liabilities are not bound, no. Monetary liabilities are bound to occur in the course of the conduct of any business. So the answer for the wrong statement is the D. Okay, next.
D.
13 is there is a concept known as dash through which the people behind the company, the directors who owe a fiduciary duty to the company, may be indicted for criminal offenses committed by them in the name of the company. A, piercing the corporate burn house and burn house, yeah. And B, piercing the corporate wheel. C, piercing the corporate blanket. D, piercing the corporate pillow. Which is the right word connected to it? In the blank.
B. B.
Don't say like you read the total thing, what it is.
Piercing the corporate wheel.
Yes, that is the way of reading. Because sometimes no, Anjanelu Kakani, whether B you are saying or C you are saying will not. Sir, answer is B, piercing the corporate wheel. That is the perfect way of giving the answer because Professor Hussain students will not give the answer like B. Professor Hussain students give the answer. Sir, answer is B, piercing the corporate wheel. Good. That is the way of the answering the things. Okay. Now the 14th question is some of the situations in which the corporate wheel may not be pierced or yes, not be pierced or group of enterprises, agency, trust, and partnership. A, B, C, D, where the corporate wheel not applicable over there, but in
Trust.
other three
C.
there is applicable.
Sir, answer is trust. C.
No, answer is D, partnership. where it cannot be made. But other things, group or enterprises, agency, trust, yes, you can pierce the corporate wheel. See here that I have given the fraud and a group of the enterprises, agency, trust, tax. They are all the places where you can pierce the corporate wheel. Yes, 15th question. Under the law, if a person issues a check, I repeat, 15th question. Under the law, if a person issues a check that does not clear due to the lack of funds, it is number A, check offense, B, bank offense, C, criminal offense, D, civil offense.
D, sir. Civil offense.
It is a civil offense. Is it a civil offense?
Sir, criminal
Check
offense, sir.
bounce.
Criminal offense, sir. Check
Criminal
bounce case.
offense. Check bounce is a criminal offense. Of course, sir. Under the Negotiable Instrument Act, sir, we don't know, sir. Okay, when it comes now, I will tell you. Because we have the Negotiable Instrument Act also. Yes, 16th question. A director makes a payment with a check. I repeat, 16th question. A director makes a payment with a check on behalf of the company, which later dash. In such an instance, the corporate wheel will be pierced and the directorate will be held dash liable for the issuing a bad check. So now the fill up the two blanks. A, jumps and personally. B, bounces criminally. C, bounces personally. D, clears and personally. Yes?
Answer is bounces and criminally.
Sir,
B,
B,
sir.
Yes,
sir.
you are
B.
right, Kakani. C, bounces
Bounces.
and personally. Because the personal liability would be there. Because intention of the director, when he knows that the funds are not there, but he has issued the check. So the check bounces, but at the time, piercing the corporate wheel, he is a personally liable. Okay, now the 17th, meetings. Regarding the meetings. A meeting must be periodically called by the company's directors, and which one of the following is false. I say one of the following is false, means remaining three are very much relevant to the meetings. A, to review the working of the company. B, to announce the financial statement. C, to appoint the director and editors to decide on future courses of action or any of the important function of the company has not to undertake with the approval of the shareholders. D, to appointment to directors and editors to decide on the future of the course of action of any of the important functions that a company has to undertake with the approval of the shareholders.
Sir, C, sir.
C
C,
is
to
the
appoint
right
directors.
answer, because there I mentioned the company has not to undertake with the approval of the shareholders, but actually the company has to undertake with the approval of the shareholders. So you should be thorough enough. What is the exactly that is giving the meaning and what is the false regarding the meetings are concerned. Good. 18th. There are different types of meetings that are convened for different purposes. They are among three, but not one among the four. Means the three are connected to the meetings. And which one is a false meeting? The where it is not connected with the meetings. So one is quarterly meeting, B, statutory meeting, C, annual general meeting, D, extraordinary general meeting. Which one is one not connected
Yes,
with the meetings?
yes, sir.
A, quarterly meeting. It is not connected with, because generally we have the statutory meeting, annual general body meeting, extraordinary general body meeting, but that is the quarterly meeting is not connected with the any type of the meetings conducted by the company. Now here I am giving the match the following. Part 1, it deals about the words, and the part 2, it deals about the description. So in the part 1, I have given 1, shareholders, 2, the stock market, 3, director, 4, trustees. In the part 2, I have given the explanation. A, the director or the living being through which the company an artificial legal entity conducts its business. B, a director is also trustee of the company and he is responsible for the conduct of the business on behalf of the company and uses the company's property wealth to conduct the business. C, the next important role in the running of a company is played by the members are the shareholders. Every shareholder is a member of a company, and each share that a member holds represents his own ownership of that fraction of the company. D, the companies need capital to do business, to grow and flourish. In a bid to do so, they may decide to raise the capital from the public. Ordinary shares are exactly what the name signifies. They are the share that are the bought and sold in the stock market. Now you match it. Answers I have given. 1C, 2D, 3B, 4A. 1D, 2C, 3A, 4B. 1C, 2D, 3A, 4B. Then the last one is 1C, 2A, 3D, 4B. Which is the
Sir,
right
yes, sir.
answer?
Yeah.
Second option.
Sir. Sir, actually, yes, sir. That is 1C, 2D, 3B, 4A.
No.
Answer is C. C.
Answer is C. 1C, 2D, 3A, 4B. See the feedback I have given here. Director. Who is the director? See here, if you want to see it, the right answer 1C I say. In the C, there are directors are there. Here. Where it is given. Yeah. The next important thing, running a company is played by the members of the shareholders. Which one is there? C, 2D, 3A. The director are the living persons. Where the directors are there? Yeah, the directors are the living persons. Shareholders, yeah. 1A, 1C that I say. No, director means here, who are the directors you can see. The 1A, but here 1A is not given, not because the shareholder is given over there. No? Who is the shareholder? If you see the shareholder means the next important role in the running of a company is played by the members of the shareholders. So in the above shareholders, where it is given, the next is given C. It means 1C is right, 2A is right, sorry, 2D is right, and 3A is right, and 4B is right. Because 4 is trustee. Trustee means B here given. 4B means trustee means a director and a director is also a trustee of the company and he is responsible for the conduct of the business on behalf of the company and uses the company property and wealth to conduct that business. So what I want to convey to you is you have to read ultra-vires, you have to read lockout, you have to read even entrenchment or retrenchment, and you have to read the director definition, you have to read the trust definition, you have to read the shareholders definition. So these are all maybe asked. At the left hand side they will give the words, in the right hand side they will give the explanation. They will say that and jumbled it, they will ask match the following. That's what I want to convey to you. Not exactly the same thing will be asked in the examination, but like such thing, like that thing may be asked in the examination. One side the terms and another side the explanation. Is it clear? Say clear. Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Thank you. I appreciate it. 20. Companies Act 2013 consisting of how many sections? Anyone?
C, sir.
C is the right answer. It is the 470 sections are there in the Company Act of 2013. 21 question. Can anybody can unmute and read 23rd question?
Which new type of a company is not introduced in the new Company Act 2013?
A, one person company. B, associate company. C, little company. D, small company.
C. Little company.
C is a little company. There is no little company is there. There is a small company is there, associate company is there, one person company is there, but not a little company is there. Okay. Now next, 22. A registration of a company under the New Company Act is optional A. B. Compulsory. C. Registration only for the private company. D. Registration only for the public company. Which one is the right answer?
Registration for only public company, sir.
Second option.
B compulsory.
B, sir.
Compulsory.
B compulsory, sir.
B is the compulsory for the registration of company under the New Companies Act of 2013. Yes. 23. A company incorporated by the act of a parliament is central government company, union company, government of India company, statutory company.
B union company.
Second option.
Government of
Statutory company, sir.
Oh, see, you could not see such a question in any question paper. It is I coined in different style. If any company is incorporated by the act of the parliament, it is automatically a statutory company, we will say. So the right answer is
D,
So the-
D, sir.
yes, D is the right answer for 23rd question. That is a statutory company, because the next question that I asked, that is very much important, because you can give the answer for that one. Yes, East India Company was an example of foreign company, alien company, chartered company, British company.
Sir, chartered company, sir. C.
C is a chartered company. I want to test your IQ in this one. Okay, next question is 25th. The company nationality is decided by its shareholder birthplace, board of directors birthplace, birthplace of the managing director, a place where the company was registered office.
Place where company was registered office.
Yes, that is the D is the right answer. Place where the company was registered office is there. That is the company nationality. But how a ship nationality will be known? It is the IQ question, supplementary question. A ship, a voyage, a cruise, and where ship, how a ship nationality will be known? Sir, we never traveled in the ship, sir. That's why we don't know. The flag hoisting on the ship flag, the pole. In which company that ship belongs over there, registered over there, that company flag would be there in the ship. So a company, which company it belongs to, it nationality will be known by the flag which is hoisting. Suppose if you go for the plane, in the plane also there is a flag of that country would be there, and their emblem also be there, logo also be there. Okay, let's come to the point. Under which section of the Companies Act, that is the new Act 2013, how one woman director should be there? There is only one woman director should be there in the under the section of the Companies Act. In which section says there should be one woman director? Section 47, Section 148, Section 149, Section 150. Answer is
150.
149. That is the answer for that, where it says in Company Act, as per the 149, at least one woman director should be there. Next, 27. A person cannot hold office as a director simultaneously more than dash companies. 10, 15, 20, 25. A, B, C, D. Which one is the right answer? I repeat the question. A person cannot hold office as a director simultaneously more than dash companies. Answer is shoot out, even though it is wrong, doesn't matter.
A 10.
15. B is the right answer. 15. B is the right answer. He cannot be more than 15 companies at a time. One person could not be a director. 28th question. Which type of company required only one director? A, small company. B, one person company. C, associate company. D, public company.
D, public company.
One person company, sir.
One person company, Sandhya Rani is right. That is the answer is B, one person company where only one is director. Next 29th question. Class meeting is a meeting of A, meeting from the members, meeting of directors, C, meeting of managing director, D, meeting of the fourth class employees in company.
D, meeting of fourth class employees in company.
I intentionally kept because class I told you. I intentionally kept it that D. Second option?
B, sir. Meeting of directors.
No. A
A,
is the right answer. Meeting from the members. That is called a class meeting. 30th. Disqualification of a director are enumerated in the section dash of Companies Act 2013. Which section of the Companies Act of 2013 says about the disqualification of a directors? 162 A, B 163, C 164, D 165. సార్ మేము బేరాక్ట్ తీసుకెళ్తాం కాదు సార్ యూ టేక్ ద బేరాక్ట్ నో సార్ దేర్ వి చెక్ ఇట్ ఇన్ బేరాక్ట్ దే డిడ్ నాట్ ఆస్క్ డైరెక్ట్లీ but you have to check it. 162 you have to see, 163 you have to see, 164 you have to see, 165 you have to see. Your time will be consumed more. Don't take any baract in the examination hall. Unnecessary that you are creating yourself a lot of trouble. Instead of reading it well and participate in the class, that will be the, and read any one of the book sold in the market, and that will be the useful to you rather than the carrying the barracks in the examination hall. The right answer here is 165. It will clearly says there is a disqualification of the directors, but such a questions are 1 or 2 or 3, not more than that. The entire 100 marks question, if it all given over there. Okay, next question. 31 question. How much period or year the books of account should be kept in the custody of a company? Yes.
7
8, sir.
years.
8, sir. C.
It is a C, 8. 8 is the right answer. 8 years you have to keep in the company. Okay, next. Which is true among the 4 statement or proposition? Means only one is true, but rest of the 3 are wrong. So number A, alteration of memorandum of association of company is impossible. B, the term floating security and floating charges are synonymous. C, registration of joint stock company is compulsory. D, a shareholder is the agent of a company. Which one is true among the 4? I said true.
Sir, C, sir, C.
C, registration of joint stock company is compulsory. Yes, that is the right answer. Now you mute it. I am getting the resound. Syed Shafiuddin, you mute it. I am getting the resound. Okay. Mute. Okay, thank you very much. Yeah, 33. Which is a false among the 4 statement? I say false. Statements are 4. A, mortgage of land is an example of fixed charge, and only one director may be appointed as a managing director. C, a member of a company must be a shareholder of a company. D, proxies are not to be included while counting for the quorum of the meeting of company.
D, sir,
Yes.
D.
D,
It
D,
is
sir.
C. C, a member of company must be a shareholder of a company. That is the right answer. Okay, 34th question. Which one is false statement among the 4 statements? I repeat, which one is the false statement among the 4 statements? Means 3 are correct, and only one is false. A, all companies in need of certificate of registration. I think it is right, is it not? Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Good. B, a director of a person may be a person, a firm, or a body of corporate. C, it must be for a company to have its own article of association. D, a company can be a member of another company.
Wrong, sir. D, sir.
D is the wrong.
D, sir. D.
D is the wrong. A company can be a member of another company is the wrong. But all other three are right. Is it clear? A supplementary question may also ask, companies need of a certificate of registration, yes or no? Of course, the right hand side they will say yes, left hand side they put the no, and they will you can compare it, match the following. You can match it, which is right and which is wrong. Are you following me? Say yes. Okay,
Yes, sir.
35. Article of association contains the rule of regulations of a management of dash affair of a company. A, external. B, internal.
Sir,
C,
B internal.
yes, I appreciate. Before I could finish it, you gave the answer. I appreciate this. That is the B. It is the internal affairs of a company, but not an external, but not a cross boundary, but not an extraterritorial. The right answer is B. That is the internal for 35th question. Yes, 36th question. Yes, still we do have some time with us. Oh, a limited company must be, sorry, repeat. 36. A limited company must no hold dash meeting within 1 month from the commencement of the business. What type of the business? Meeting, special meeting, general meeting, associate meeting, or statutory meeting?
Special.
D, sir.
It is a statutory meeting. D is the statutory meeting, the right answer. So a limited company must no hold statutory meeting within 1 month from the commencement of the business. So the 36th question right answer is statutory. That is a D is the right answer. Now, can anybody will unmute and read what is the 37th question?
So the gap between the two
general body meeting must
not be more than dash months.
Not in chorus, not in chorus. Okay, I will read
The
it.
gap between the two general body meeting must not be more than dash months.
A 10, B 13, C 15, D 20.
15, sir. 15 months.
Yes, C 15 is the right answer. Appreciate. Now you mute it because I'm getting the. Yes, good. Because I'm getting the sound. If you don't unmute it. Okay. Okay, now let's come to the 38th question. The memorandum must be signed by dash in case of a public company. How many members should have to sign? A 5, B 6.
7, sir. 7.
Sorry, 8. D is the answer. They may have to sign in the public company at least 8. Please check it whether I'm right or wrong. Shall I check it?
Sir, please check, sir, because I read that 7 members.
Yeah. I'm also getting the doubt. That's why I want to check it. I am also getting the doubt. That is the reason that I would like to check it. This one, because generally 7 is the right answer for that one. Okay, let me check it. Make it here. Yeah, the memorandum should be signed by at least a person in case of a public company. So now it says A 2, B 4, C 6, and D 7. Solution is 7. Yes.
8 are not there, sir. 8 are
Not
not there.
8 is wrong. 8 is wrong. So that's why I'm getting the doubt. My sixth sense told me there is something wrong because I know 7 members are there in public company, but the answer is 8 is wrong. That's why I immediately gone. See, if you have the sixth sense, your sense will definitely say something I committed a mistake here. That's why I did not check the other things. I checked this thing because I got the doubt in it. even myself. So now the right answer is C7. That is 7 members should have to sign in the public company. 39th question. Life Insurance Corporation of India. Yes, I already gave the
Public
hint.
company.
I already gave the hint earlier. Now you should be in a position to give me the answer. Yes,
See, statutory company.
it is
It
a
is statutory company. Why?
it is
Because
a
C,
statutory
sir.
company. It is a statutory company because it is made with the act. So Life Insurance Corporation of India abbreviation, that is, it is very wrong. It is not a abbreviation. It is a acronym. It is not a abbreviated. It is a acronym. It is a acronym. As LIC is in an Indian statutory insurance and investment corporation, Life Insurance Corporation, the type of it is statutory corporation, or we can say statutory company, established by an act of the parliament, that is the LIC Act of 1956. And insurance and financial services, they come into founded in the 1st September 1956. So Life Insurance Corporation is a statutory company. Now 40th question. Private company cannot issue dash memorandum of association or article of association or C prospectus or D none of the above. I don't think it's a tough question.
Sir, prospectus, sir.
Prospectus. You see, the private company cannot issue the prospectus. Of course, they can make the memorandum of association, articles of the association, but not the prospectus. Number 41 question. Yes, dash of the Companies Act 2013 defines the article of association in which section?
D, sir. Section 2, subsection 5.
Yes, you are right, Pramela. That is, the D is the right answer. Section 2, subsection 5 of the Companies Act of 2013 clearly defines what is AOA. What is AOA? Yes, anyone?
Articles of association.
That I know it. But AOA, is it an abbreviation? Is it an acronym?
No, sir.
Is it a short form?
It is an acronym.
It is an acronym because every word first letter would be taken over there. That is the point they can make it out. Okay, anyway, come to the next point is which one of the following below, which one of the following below features of the article of association is false? I say false. Means other three are relevant to the article of association. A, it is a part of the constitution of an organization. Is it a false? Is it a false? Is it a false?
No.
It is a false, sir.
No. It is a part of the constitution
Yes,
of
sir.
an organization because article of association is a part of the constitution of an organization. B, a contract between the members and the among the members themselves. C, it lays down the status for the shareholders. D, few statutory clauses should be included in the article of association. Others clauses can be chosen to make the bylaws of the organization. D. And which one is false here?
I think D, sir.
Second option.
C, sir.
C. It lays down the status of a shareholders, not a status of a shareholder. It is a different word they have used there in the article of. But I removed that word, then I put the status. It is the investment. How much they invest, it will show shareholders because the limited liability would be there for the shareholders. Suppose if the share is 30, then they are responsible only for the 30. So the not relevant is the C. That is the right answer for that question. So next question is, yes, next question, 43 question. Articles of association can be inspected by anyone. I repeat,
Public
43.
domain, sir.
Yes,
Public document.
it is a public document. Yes, before I could read the A, B, C, D that you gave the answer, I appreciate it. That is the spirit. Before I could finish A, B, C, D, you are to supposed to give A is a private document, B is a public document, C is a partial public document, D is a partial private document. That is called a public document. One can read. 44th question. The word dash means to establish the attitude, habit, or belief so firmly that changes is very difficult or likely. What is that dash? Lockout, entrench, strike, protest.
Strike, sir.
No, it is a B, entrance. Yes, it is a entrance. The word entrance means to establish an attitude, habit, or belief so firmly that changes is very difficult or unlikely. 45, the last question is maximum paid up share capital of the small companies. A, 5 crores, B, 10 crores, C, 15 crores, D, 20 crores. Maximum paid up share capital.
10, sir. 10 crores.
10 crore, 10 crores, sir.
Appreciate. Bahubali, I saw your tone just now. That means whether you joined just now. Oh, then mute it.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
getting the
I just went
resound.
out.
I'm getting the resound. If you don't mute, mute. If you don't do mute it, no, I will get the resound automatically. So these are the things which I want to make it out today. To 45, I made it. The tomorrow class is 10 marks question. What is that?
Constitution law.
Constitution law, Grannam. Please read the Constitution. And before I could finish the 4 options, you should be in a position to give the answer. Like somebody gave Pramela gave the answer. Public document. Because AOA, the Article of Association, is a public document. Before I could finish the 4 options, she gave the answer for that question. So please
What
be
is the
ready
difference?
because
What
yes, sir.
what is the difference between AOA and MOA? What is
Oh, that is a simple question that you read it out because that's I have not dealt over here because the internal things will be the memorandum of association rules and
Memorandum
article.
of
Yeah,
Association,
yeah.
Articles of Associations.
Yeah. Because somebody give the answer for that question because these are the things because generally that they do ask also certain question, but the easy question I don't think they will ask in such a way also. But anyway,
No,
they
no,
may also suppose ask because I found which are there in the website. I eliminated it, which I found the tough one that I did it. So the purpose of my doing this exercise is, can anyone read? Can anyone read?
In Telugu language, అన్ని ధనము కన్నా విద్య ధనము మిన్న. English is equivalent to in all arms education, arms is at zenith.
Yes, because with this coining of the slogan that I am taking the classes, I believe that if you could educate it, you could create the miracles. That's my intention. So with that aspect that I am taking it, please take the advantage of my knowledge. My wish is my knowledge should not die with me. That is my intention. That's why I would like to disseminate my knowledge. And if you disseminate it, and of course, my selfishness also there because I can enrich myself in the language. I mean, subject, language, spirit, and presentation also. So these are the things which I want to make it out. But anytime it is going to be completed. But one thing that I want to make it very much clear to you is that don't take any books to the examination hall.
One doubt, sir, one doubt.
Yes.
Sir, it is very difficult to find out that true or false or maximum. Our questions are you prepare only true or false questions. It is very difficult to find out the correct answers in the exactly in true or